Good morning, fellow EOS aficionados. I am Ruben, and you might know me from... Actually, you probably don't know me yet. It's no secret that EOS people like us are kind of obsessed. And once you've seen how practical, efficient, and easy it is to implement level 10 meetings, who wouldn't be? And if you're like me, you might want to take these tools and use them at home too. Chances are good, though, that your spouse thinks you're crazy, and that the EOS cult has taken over your thought process like some kind of weird mind virus. And she might tell you to keep your crazy business ideas out of the laundry room because she's not interested in going to EOS church with you. Okay, fair. But since marketing and persuasive copy is my EOS jam to your EOS bread, I thought I'd share it with you how I tricked my wife into joining the cult and how she's the one that drags me kicking and screaming to make sure we get to EOS church every week.
Maniacal laugh. Maniacal laugh.
Number 1. First of all, don't call it a level 10 meeting. Call it a coffee 10 date night. Technically, a date is a meeting anyway. Rebranding. Number 2, Segue. While we're changing things up, might as well just take out a chainsaw to being EOS pure and a stickler about following the rules. Take the segue and make it gratitudes. Take some time to talk about things that you're thankful for. Bonus points if the two of you just keep talking until you run out of grateful things to say. If your spouse is like mine, she's probably deprived of positive reinforcement. Sorry, baby. This is an excellent time to make yourself look like a loving, caring, emotional person.
There, there.
Because you are. Just don't know it yet. Number 3, scorecard. For the scorecard section, you're not keeping track of metrics and task completion rates. You're keeping track of kids, or fitness goals, or budgeting goals, savings goals, fat shaming goals. Number 4, rocks. In coffee 10s, we don't have rocks, and don't call them that if you want your spouse to get on board with this whole thing. If you're making it sound all official, you might as well throw a chain around your neck, tie it to the rock, and toss yourself overboard. Family projects. We use it like a summary of our family calendar, upcoming birthdays, vacations, anniversaries, doctor's appointments, etc. And we keep track of actual projects here as well. I'm still working on that goal of getting the side and backyard cameras installed at the house. That rock, our family project, has been there almost a year. However, the kitchen window that had a baseball go through it has only been there for just a couple of months. So let's just say that a little duct tape and a very patient wife goes a long way. Now, what about individual rocks? If I have to spell it out for you, something's wrong. Go see a doctor, just rewatch the last section and switch out the word family for individual, and voila. So now you've gone over projects that each of you need to take care of. Number 5, headlines. What are you, a reporter? For Coffee 10, make this time fun, make it juicy, call it gossip. One of you, maybe both, is gonna love this portion of the meeting, date. We here call it Cheese Man, which is Spanish for gossip. During this portion, talk about updates on kids, their sports, school, in that order of priority if you're the cool parent, the in-laws, whatever you want to gossip about. This is your time to shine and lose your soul to the horrible habit of gossiping.
I hate gossip.
Whatever, Dave. Number 6, to-dos. To-dos are now honeydews. Added benefit is that if you're on the receiving end of all those chores, it's payback time, baby. Load them up with so many honeydews, they'll go diabetic in less than 2 weeks.
Oh, help and bother. Well, it all comes from eating too much.
Number 7, issues list. There's already enough problems in relationships. Why call this section issues? Why not call it your laundry list? And when you choose which 3 to work on first, it's your first 3 loads of laundry. Now you can send all those dirty issues to the laundromat or the laundry sink. That would be dirty plates. Let's just stick to the dirty laundry metaphor. Number 8, VTO issues. What? R2D2, 3CPO, WTFO? Is your wife supposed to know what you're talking about,
I don't like you either.
Just call it spring cleaning or the junk drawer. This is the part of the Coffee 10 where you take those things that you don't want to forget but don't want to deal with right now and put them in a safe place so you don't lose them. But you also don't have to think about them for a while. In fact, You can kick those out of your core memories and file them right next to Bing Bong.
Joy was stuck down here. We might as well be on another planet.
And that's it. You've just had your very first coffee 10. Now you're both caffeinated, on the same page, and have a clear idea of what needs to happen. Coffee 10s. My wife loves them. Kids are on board. Even the dog seems or aligned. You see, it's about connection. It's about bringing structure to the chaos of family life. You know, so you can get on the same page and work as partners as we navigate life together. So that's one way that you can get your spouse to become as big of a fan of EOS as you are. And to all the spouses being forced to watch this video, welcome to the cult. You can never leave.
You can never leave.